In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive history efficiently in just a few minutes. This guide is designed to help you easily track the changes made to your files stored in Microsoft OneDrive. Whether you're trying to pinpoint recent edits or simply want to revert to an earlier version, understanding how to access your file history is essential, and it's a skill every OneDrive user should have. Let's dive in first by navigating to OneDrive's homepage. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in OneDrive in the search bar, or enter the direct URL to access the OneDrive login page. Once here, log in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up, but for most users this should be a straightforward login process. Now that you're in the OneDrive main interface, look for the My Files section. This is typically located at or near the top of the navigation panel, making it easy to find. Clicking on My Files will present you with a list of all the files stored in your OneDrive account. Take a moment to glance through your filled library and decide which file's history you want to review. When you've identified the file whose history you wish to explore, select it by clicking on its name. This action will highlight the file and bring up an array of options along the toolbar on the interface. Don't worry if this is your first time. These tools are intuitive and designed to enhance your file management experience. With your file selected, direct your attention to the option labeled Details. You should notice this appearing to the right of your screen in a panel. Click on Details to prompt a new sidebar to appear, revealing insights about the file. This window is packed with useful information, but what you're focused on is the history of the document. Within this details section, one of the tabs or options you'll find is dedicated to the version history. Selecting this will display all the versions of the document, complete with timestamps and information on who made each edit. This way you can retrace any updates made over time, investigate changes, or possibly restore to a previous version if needed. By following these straightforward steps, you gain full visibility into your document's evolution, offering you peace of mind and control over the changes in your OneDrive account. Remember, regularly checking and managing your file history can prevent accidental losses and ensure your data remains organized and intact. That's it for today's tutorial on viewing OneDrive history. I hope this guide has been helpful. For any questions or further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy file managing.